Digital photography is great, but we feel that nothing is more rewarding than creating your own beautiful print using traditional methods. With Pinsta, I wanted to produce something that could bring the magic of analogue photography to absolutely anyone without the requirement for a darkroom, expensive equipment, or even any prior experience. My dream is to share the joy of what it feels like to produce beautiful analogue images in a world drowning in pixels. Almost everyone interested in photography has wondered about traditional processes at some point, but most are put off by the commitment required to have a darkroom and lots of expensive equipment. Pinsta camera puts everything in your hands, literally. But Pinsta isn't only great fun for amateurs, it's also a brilliant tool for professional photographers to push their creativity to the limits. The very nature of pinhole photography forces one to reflect on the artistry of the image, the composition, the contrast, the exposure time. If we reach our stretch goal, we aim to build a community for creators to share their inspiration, images and techniques.
Here we go. Been waiting a month for this shot. Let's see if we got it. Yeah! We got it. I've been thinking about this shot for a whole month, waiting for the right light, the right day. We got it.
Each shot is taken as is, no Photoshop, no filters. The result is a beautiful 4x5 print that could never be replicated digitally. Pinsta's unique internal slide makes it possible to customise your shots, use filters and even enlarge 120 and 35mm negatives. Back in the 1980s, my father Harry New invented the Nova vertical slot processor and continued to make them by hand here for almost 40 years. With Pinsta, we intend to continue that tradition. I'm hoping that with your backing, we can make Pinsta the perfect stepping stone into analogue photography. Now go out there, be inspired, be creative, and join the Pinsta revolution.